Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today I have a couple of projects that I want to work on, so I thought I'd bring you all along and show you what I'm doing. The first project is going to be to replace this old hose hanger that I have on my house. I'm wanting to go in, and in this blank area right here, I'm wanting to go in and put a post hose hanger. So the things that I'm going to be using for this project are concrete mix, a 5-gallon bucket, a 4x4, a drill, a new hose hanger, a mixer, and a post cap. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to go in and dig a hole right here and set my post and then concrete it in, and then I'll be able to hook the hose hanger onto it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. So I have the hole dug now, and I got it about a foot deep, and I don't need it very deep at all because I'm going to be concreting this in, and there's not going to be a whole lot of weight on it. So the next thing that I need to do is I need to cut this 4x4 down. It's 8 feet long right now, and I'm wanting it to be about 4 feet above the ground. So with the 1 foot hole, I'm going to cut it down to 5 feet long, and then I will level it into the hole and then concrete it in. Alright, so I have the hole dug and the post cut. The next thing that I need to do is I went and got these old 2x4s that I had laying around, and I'm going to use these to brace the post up and keep it level, and then I'll be putting in the concrete so it holds everything together. poking around into this concrete just to eliminate some of the air bubbles in there so that the concrete will be stronger. now that the concrete is in, I just want to go in and make sure that everything is still level. Perfect. All right, so now that the concrete is dry, I can go ahead and take these braces off, and then I'm going to go in and stain this post. The stain that I'm using is from Valspar, and it is called Redwood Natural Tone. This stain matches the brick that's on my house, so this is what I'm going to use. Hopefully I like it. If not, I can just paint over it later. Alright, so I got this post cap for it. It has this adhesive strip on the inside. I'm not 100% sure if that'll hold or not, but if I find that it's not holding very well, then I'll come in with some wood glue later and glue it down. And now I just need to stain this. Alright, so I got this project done and I like how it turned out. It looks a whole lot better than the one that I had on the wall, and I've already removed it and painted over it, and I'm probably going to have to do another coat on that once it dries. But this area over here, I've still got a lot of work to do. I have a rhododendron over here, an azalea, and a hydrangea. I think over here on the side and then going around the front, I think I'm going to do a boxwood hedge. I haven't completely decided yet on that, but I've still got to fill in this area with more plants. And then right now what I'm going to do is I have these hose guides down here that I use when I'm out watering to keep my water hose from running over my plants. I have one right here, and then I have one over here on the corner. Right now they're just plastic, cheap plastic ones, and while I was waiting for the concrete to dry on this post, I went to Lowe's and I found some that look a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those replaced real quick. video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.